Break ID number 362. 2017 Topps Gold Label 4-box break. There is one filler. Filler number 1, and let's take a look at it. These are the people that bought into the filler. The winner of this particular filler gets 2 spots in 362. So let's randomize each side 3 times and see who lands next to the winner. Jeff, BR. So Jeff, BR is in 362. Give me a second, I'll put him in there and then we'll break it. Okay, so this was a buy one, get one free, which would have given Jeff 2 initial spots. We've assigned the free spots, and so that doubles his spots. And everybody else has been doubled already. All right, so let's pull up the alphabetical list. And randomize it 3 times. And they're the teams. There are the teams. I'll leave it up there for a minute. Still 2 left in the next one, the 1-box break of XR. All right, here we go. One framed auto per box. First box. Joe Musgrove. Framed auto. On card rookie. Houston Jimmy O.R. Well, where are the parallels? There we go. Greg Maddux to 150. Box 2. Jorge Alfaro to 486. Interesting serial number. To the Phillies, Jeff BR. Chris Bryant to 99. Judge rookie. In addition to the insane breaks that are up there for tomorrow, which will go quickly, on Wednesday there's a half case of Donruss Signature, which is one of my favorites, loaded. In fact, it has, in this break we'll have 32 autos at an incredible price. That's already up there for Wednesday. Kenta Maeda to 75. All right, box 3. Dan Vogelbach, framed auto. Seattle, Tim L.U. Pretty neat cards. Yes, he is, Justin. There's even parallels of those also, and some pretty rare ones. Gary Sanchez to 150. Last box. I'm going to save the frame for last, just because. Clemente to 150. Benintendi rookie. And the last pack. Franklin Barreto, and this is one of the rarer ones, 3 of 25. Not necessarily the player you hope for, but still a short print framed auto to Oakland. Tim LU. All right, that's it for that one. We'll get your cards right up. You can tell me what to do with them, what you want me to do with them. And let me see how the